Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Z Moose coming at you live from the Moose Den. He's over here making a video for all you guys, real quick, for the top 10 for tomorrow's trading session. As you can see, I have the picture of a moose, a big old moose, and he is ready to trade. Let's get started with these quick tickers. Number one on the list for tomorrow is MTG. MTG double bottomed on Monday's trading session today. Had a nice pop. I am looking for a 5-day crossover this 10-day simple moving average. As noted by this time stamp here, we had a crossover from the stochastic above the relative strength. We also had a nice green bar out of the MACD histogram. We also had a volume breakout from this descending volume trend line, and the next resistance coming at you is the 200-day simple moving average alongside of the 480 to 475 price resistance. Moving on to Pard. Pard had a nice pop today, about 7.5%. We also had another increase, a break. I guess you could call it a break above. The stochastic popped 2 days ago, so it was 2 trading sessions ago, which was Friday. It was a time to add, and as you can see over the past 2 days, it was a pretty decent time to add off the open. The MACD histogram is looking and attempting to cross into that green, and I think once we get it, we're going to see a 5-day cross above that 10-day simple moving average. Let's get some momentum under this stock and drive it to 275. I will be watching this one very closely tomorrow to see if I can get an entry. ABK 6-month chart. The entry, ideal entry, was off of this click right here. I guess it was on Monday's trading session. We also had a hold on this trend line here, on this ascending trend line. It's a tightening symmetrical triangle we have going on here. Volume did not surpass Monday's volume distribution bar, but I am looking to see where this goes, and this is just a watch to see whether or not we go above or below a breakout or breakdown out of this symmetrical triangle price pattern. EGLE, I was tweeting that a little bit yesterday. EGLE, great 2 days. I'm going to look for a pullback at this $6 mark, but there are a ton of simple moving averages that are supporting this right now. Not only is this ascending trend line supporting it, but we also have the 200-day, 20-day, 100-day, and 50-day simple moving average. The 5 and 10-day are still doing a tango, but I am looking for a pullback off of this $6 price resistance. TQNT in a channel right now, looking at support at the 200-day simple moving average, and again, we're seeing a little bit of a tango action in between the 5-day and the 10-day simple moving average, and I am looking for some kind of push higher, but again, we are neutral, so please watch out and don't get into it just yet. BPZ stuck in a very tight ascending wedge here. Price, an ideal ad was on Monday. A lot of ideal ads on that Monday dip. Day-to-day volume was a huge increase today off of BPZ, but it still stayed within the confines of that ascending wedge. 5-day and 10-day, although outside of that ascending trend line, are the two simple moving averages to watch. BCRX, I am looking for this puppy to pop, and I am looking to enter it. Again, it was a great day-to-day volume of accumulation, distribution to accumulation. We're starting to get a little bit of a pop, but we saw looking for an ideal ad soon, but we sure did bottom out in that relative strength. 5-day crossover, 10 days will take time, and I think we're going to be trading similar to what we saw from the beginning, end of September to the beginning of October. Sprint, bear flag, check it out. 100-day simple moving average, tangoing with that 5-day, 10-day, but I am looking for a pop, very similar to the SRZ position that I'm currently in. QTWW, oh yeah, you know you like that ascending triangle. 50-day and 20-day are holding it together, as well as that ascending trend line. RTK is that last pop. We got a 2-day bull flag going on right now, and I am looking for that 50-day and that 150 price support to hold. Everybody, the world is yours. I got 10 seconds left on this video. Trade the crap out of it. Let's go get some money this week, and let's go prep for the beginning of December. Good luck.